again, and welcome back to the channel. Richard here again with another unboxing video, and today it's the new 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray limited edition Steelbook of Andor, the complete first season. So this is from Disney and released in the UK by Elevation Sales Limited. So let's get this one opened, and straight away I can see something new here from Disney. We have a bit of emboss work going on. So they've used a deboss frame and then embossed the logo and the character of Andor himself, as you can see quite clearly there. So yeah, something different from them. Let's look at the spine and let's have a look at the back. Okay, so there's a bit of a synopsis about the series. And that's what we've got inside this edition. This UK set has the 4K and Blu-ray discs in there. I can see the 4K disc is Dolby Atmos and the Blu-ray is DTS HD Master Audio 5.1. There's a Lucasfilm and Disney Plus logo on the right hand side. As we said, Dolby Vision is not on these, but Dolby Atmos is. We've got a region free logo there for the Blu-rays. Okay, let's slide the Steelbook out. And you can see we've got a 1 at the bottom and a Blu-ray logo on the spine. Yeah, it's quite different. And the back is completely flat. Okay, let's open it up, and we've got a loose disc and we've got some artwork on the discs. Okay, so they're stacked. So okay, so there's a look at the internal artwork. And there's the wraparound. It is one complete image, so it works quite well. Okay, checking the discs as I put them back. Yeah, 50 gig Blu-ray. Should be on all three of them. Yep. And the 4K is triple layer, 100 gig. So it's great to see Disney adopting these discs now. Yep, all 100 gig. Okay, let's put the Steelbook down. Let's have a look at these art cards. Okay, so that's your lot, just the 3. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it. And good to see you in the comments. What did you think of this series when you watched it on Disney Plus? Are you going to be picking up the 4K, and did you enjoy it? But once again, thank you for watching. See you again soon. Goodbye.